Hello everyone. Now I have here the Starters 99 CodeChef Round 99 Starters 99 Division 1 or Division 1 problems that weren't actually in Division 1. So basically the first three problems that are unrated in Division 1 for Starters 99, and let's just get started here. We have the first problem, puzzle hunt here. The hunt is intended for teams of 6 to 8 people, and our input is a single integer n. So very simply we can do integer input, or just read the integer in any way, and we can actually do something like if it is in between 6 and 8, so this, then print yes, otherwise we go no. Let's just test with the custom input first, just to make sure this doesn't give an error of some sort. And yeah, okay, and we can just submit here. And I will return to this question once it has finished. It has finished judging. So let's just move to. Oh, there we go. It's finished judging already, and we have everything correct. Very nice. So now we have our next problem here, which is endless appetizers. So we got, if you eat more than X mozzarella sticks, you get 30 rupees for each extra one. So if X is 5, 8 sticks, then you get 90 since it's 3 over. The restaurant serves Y sticks per plate. And chef received R rupees as a result of the challenge. And the maximum number of 6. We know that R is going to be a multiple of 30, so first we go for, we'll just for I in range read in to read the first integer, and then it will repeat through that number of test cases. X, Y, and R are our variables. So X is our base number of mozzarella sticks, Y is the number of sticks per plate, and then R is the amount of extra rupees gained. So the bonus in rupees gained is R divided by 30. It'll be a multiple of 30, so we don't have to worry too much about this here. X plus R over 30. That will give us the maximum number of sticks. So the reason this is the maximum number is that if the bonus is 0, then the chef could have ate anything from no sticks to up to X sticks, and we need the maximum, so it has to be X sticks. With the bonus, then you just have to add in the bonus. Any more than you have too high of a bonus. We get Y sticks per plate, and then won't order a new plate until eating all the sticks from the previous one. And it's possible chef does not finish the sticks from the final plate he orders. So in this case, what we can do is we can do, so the number of sticks in total divided by Y, and then plus 1. Reasoning for this is if we don't have an exact multiple, so like if we have 10 sticks, he eats 10 sticks and it's 3 sticks per plate, then that'll mean he completes 3 plates, and then the 4th plate he ate 1. But if it's 9 sticks, then I'm assuming right now he eats He eats through 3 plates, orders the 4th plate, but doesn't eat any of them on the next plate. We can compare this to the initial here. So test case 1, he ate 1 extra stick, x 7, 2, 4, 3. Okay, 95 is, with the 4th test case, 2130, that's 73 sticks. 73 sticks plus their so 23, 73, wait, that would be 96 sticks, wouldn't it? $21.30, so yeah, no wait, that's 71 sticks. So then that would be 94 sticks in total. Okay, so we see a difference here. So this is, so if it's an exact amount, then it doesn't order an extra plate with 0 sticks eaten. So the way we do this is we do s plus y minus 1, and in pretty much every case when you have to do like a floor, like a ceiling division, which is a division where you just divide and you just round up, you take y here and you just subtract 1. So in that way, if the remainder is like 1, 2, 3, or any remainder, then it will add 1, because that y minus 1 will plus that remainder will always be at least y. Whereas if it's remainder 0, then the y minus 1 won't affect it at all. Okay, now lastly we got our final problem. So let's see, 7:18. So we'll just record timing here. Okay, so our last problem is CARDSWIPE here. We got, so first we'll deal with the input. So the input, we just read the test cases, n equals read int, and then the next line will contain n spaced integers, which is the ID of each swipe. This we can represent as an array. So the entrances there, they swipe in and then swipe out. So the first swipe is in, second out, third in, so on. Okay, importantly, we notice AI is, the IDs are always going to be at most the number of people there. So what we can do here is we can let's track the number of people with P, and we'll track who's in there with H by their IDs. We'll do n plus 1 so that we can easily track each one. Now we have to iterate through the array list. So for J in AR, and then answer will just be the maximum of P at any given point. If HJ equals 0, HJ becomes 1 and P plus equals 1. Otherwise, it is an exit. So then we just change the status to outside, P minus equals 1, and then answer is the maximum of there and the current number of people. We can check if this works here. Okay, we have something here. Okay, so our issue here is we need to make this answer not P. That's just tracking, before it was tracking the number of people left at the end. So 2253, that looks about right. And let's submit here. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . And there we go. We got all the test cases right. So that concludes the walkthrough of the unrated problems in Division 1, or the first 3 problems in Starters 99. I'll be back next Wednesday. Hopefully the next contest will be a bit better. I did a actual full commentary earlier of myself running through the Division 1 contest, and it was 2 hours, 15 minutes of at least I solved 2 problems, but yeah, it was... I've had better contests, we'll just leave it at that. But that's gonna be it. I'll see you next Wednesday.